Okay, today we are changing the cabin air filter on a 2008 Audi A4. It's a B7. It's pretty much the same process for B7 or B6 Audi A4s. It's just under this panel up here. Just pull off the weather stripping there. This panel just slides out. Two clips here. This panel slides out. You just gotta wiggle it some. And there's the old dirty cabin air filter. I just bought this car, so I have no idea when this was last changed, but as you can see, that is dirty. Even the backside is not so great. So I'm gonna toss that. And I got one from the Audi dealership. So here's the new filter. You can see that's a lot cleaner. If you look at the old one, that is a big difference. So on the filter, you'll see it says here airflow with arrows, so you want to make sure that side's pointing down into the car, and you just slide it in. You want to make sure it's fitted properly. Then this piece, you just have to bend it underneath, and that snaps in. Make sure it's sealed properly. And then next you line this piece up with the grooves in the top. And just push it in gently. There. And then you want to just put the weather stripping back in place. Make sure it's all snug. And that's it. That's how to change your cabin air filter on a B7 Audi A4. This is the 2-liter turbo model. I believe it's the same for the B6.